My brother, how are you? Once again, I'm welcoming you my new video. Gentlemen, suddenly I realized that I have a big problem, and this problem is actually I don't have any friend. Who are watching me first time, let me introduce myself. I am Hindi background student from Godda district of Jharkhand, and my name is Parmat Kumar. So actually guys, I take a challenge of 3 months to become fluent in English, and right now I have a big problem. Suddenly I realized that uh, I don't have any physical friends. In previous video, if you are my old subscriber, then you already knew that already know that every video I take my virtual friend, and his name is Mohan. uh, I'm assuming a virtual friend for the conversation purpose, but today is my 5th day, and suddenly I realize actually I have a physical friend. That's why I decided, I take a decision, and I'm dropping my WhatsApp number in description box. Okay guys, I say I'm a Hindi background student. I'm from Godda, and state की बात करूँ तो I'm from Jharkhand states. Okay, if you are also a beginner like me, then what to do? Just to go description box and find out my WhatsApp number, and just text me. Okay, um, I think we can do English conversation in proper way by helping each other. That's why I would like to invite my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, if you are also a beginner likes me, Hindi background students, and you are suffering such kind of environment by where you can speak English, then I'm here, brother. I'm also a beginner, and you are, I think you are also a beginner. If you are watching this video, then I think you are also a beginner. So this is the right time to take an action. So my dear brother, just go and text me WhatsApp. Okay, text me by WhatsApp. It's my personal number. Text me. Actually there are lot of way already available in social media like Zoom, Google Meet, what Facebook, Instagram. There is lot of way to do conversation, but I personally invite you by dropping my WhatsApp number. Okay, so just go there and pick up the WhatsApp number and text me. Okay, इस वाले वीडियो में इतना ही. मुझे लगता है कि इंग्लिश बोलना कोई बड़ा चैलेंज नहीं है, बट अभी मेरे पास फ्रेंड सर्कल नहीं है. मेरे सराउंडिंग में ऐसा कोई फ्रेंड भी नहीं है जो एक्चुअली हु वांट टू स्पीक इंग्लिश. दैट्स वाई आई टेक ए सच टाइप ऑफ डिसीजन. ओके, पूरा विश्वास और उम्मीद के साथ आपसे भरोसा कर रहा हूँ कि आप मेरा साथ दोगे, और हम दोनों मिलके हम मिल के जितने भी लोग जुड़ेंगे सारे लोग मिल के इंग्लिश बोलने की कोशिश करेंगे. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच ब्रदर. कमेंट बॉक्स पे आप झारखंड से देख रहे हो तो ज़रूर कमेंट करना कि आप कौन से डिस्ट्रिक्ट से हो, और आप मुझे अप्रिशिएट भी कर सकते हो कि मैं इंग्लिश बोल सकता हूँ कि नहीं. इस 3 मंथ के अंदर आप भी बोल सकते हैं, हम भी बोल सकते हैं, सब मिल के सीखेंगे इंग्लिश बोलने के लिए. सो कम ऑन गाइस, कम ऑन, स्टार्ट करते हैं. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.